That's how we do it out here. Woo! Let's get it. Get in. Yo, let's go. Get in.
What is going on, guys? Now, I really hope you enjoyed that quick clip. This is my pride and joy, my Chevy LS Volvo wagon, 6-speed Demon.
And I'm Justin. I drive the E36 M52 swapped in a ZF tranny.
Now, obviously, you're probably wondering why we have Haggard Garage in our title and in our thumbnail, the new Haggard Garage. And to be completely honest, if you're watching this video, you're following the Haggard Garage drama. I personally have watched Rudnick's side, Orion's side, and then, all of a sudden, I'm scrolling through my feed, and the new Haggard Garage appears. The new Haggard Garage. And I personally was offended. I listened to Rudnick, both of his videos, and how he thinks Orion stole subscribers. And in my mind, that is nothing compared to someone literally stealing the name. This
Literally.
guy, he just gained a bunch of subscribers because he stole their name. Like, is that even legal? Can you even do that?
Take the money and run.
That's just stupid. And like, it made me mad. So I want to talk to you guys and see what you thought about it, because I don't agree. He took all his subscribers. But what I've really gathered from watching everyone's side, like I said, Rudnick, Orion, Rudnick has a lot to say. And what I've really found out is that everyone misses the OG stuff that was taking place. People miss the car builds, the shenanigans, the burnouts. And like, personally, when I was younger, I missed it. I like seeing that. They were cool dudes. I respect all the stuff they did. And it's kind of sad that there's none of that going on. So we got some skids going on today, boys.
it's just great to see people having fun with their friends, creating content that's just like, wow, like either I did that as a kid, or like, wow, like I wish I could do that, or even someone that's younger that's just like, wow, like I want to get a car and learn how to build cars, drive cars, like, I don't know, it's just like, it's really inspirational, you know what I mean?
And if you're, like, that's the biggest thing. People just want to, I missed the raw content they were putting out there. And it was so
great.
cool.
It made you laugh, smile.
Because they were good, cool, they were cool guys. But now all this drama and whatnot, and we're lacking that content. So if you guys want to see some serious skids, I know with my car personally, I want to go hit Lock City Drift, I want to go drift, I want to go learn, I want to go practice. I really want to build my car, and I'm ready. I'm psyched. We're gonna be pumping out so many videos. I'm so hyped. So
possibilities are endless.
You got Justin here. We're gonna go track with his Beamer and the Volvo. He's gonna hydro coming before the end of this month. I think we're trying to get in. So we got a bunch of stuff coming. We're gonna do a bunch of skids, a bunch of cool crap coming. So if you really want to see that OG content that you've been missing, stay tuned, because we got it coming. Yeah.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you